Top 10 Worst Blizzards U.S. History, Part 1. 1. The Great Blizzard of 1899. This storm was more focused in the South than it was in the North or Midwest, which is usually more commonly seen. 2. The Great Storm of 1975. Not only did this blizzard bring about massive amounts of snow, it is also said to have caused over 45 tornadoes in the Southwest. 3. Blizzard of 1999. Hit the Midwestern states in the 20th century after it dropped 22 inches of snow at Chicago's O'Hare Airport. 4. The Knickerbocker Storm. It's estimated that about 22,400 square miles of land were affected by the storm, many of them receiving 2 to 3 feet of snow. 5. Armistice Day Blizzard. The storm brought up to 27 inches of snow to some locations, accompanied by 80 miles per hour winds and